So when we have multiple layers while we're working with GIMP, then what we can do is we can work around with flattening of the image. So for that, I'm going to go around onto my paintbrush tool and make some layers right here. So there's this background right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add a new layer right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to go around and create a new layer right here, just like this. Then I'm going to go around over here just like this, and then change around the opacity just like this as well. And I'm going to go around, create a new layer right here just like this as well. So this is what I have. So these are individual layers, as you can see right here. It's like this. So if I were to go around and move, then I can move out this layer right here. I can move this layer right here, and I can change around the background as well. But let's say I want to merge all of these out together so that they become a single layer. In that case, you can simply go around and flatten out the entire thing. That is, flatten out the image so that they are not separated into layers just like this. So for that, you need to go around onto the image menu right here, and once you go around over here, you will be able to see that flatten image is an option. So if I were to go around and click on flatten image right here, now you can see that all of the layers has now been combined into a single layer just like this. And that is how you can go around and flatten out the image inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.